In this problem, we have vertical angles. We also have some linear pairs, right? So we need to look at which variable we want to solve for and decide whether it's a set of vertical angles that we're going to use or a linear pair. Okay, so which one do you guys want to solve for first? X, okay? So I see that I have this x here. The other angle I know is this one across from it. So is that a vertical angle or are those linear pair?
Linear pair.
Are they across or are they side by side? Across. Across means they are vertical angles, so vertical angles are congruent. Remember, that's what the vertical angle theorem says? So what can I do with things that are congruent? Make them equal to each other, okay? So that's my equation I'm going to set up and solve. How many of you set that up to solve it? Nice, okay? So hopefully when you solved, you ended up getting 30. Who got 30 for their answer there? Okay, nice. All right, now, in order to find the value of y, I see that y is contained in this angle right here, right? Now, I could plug this in over here and use these two, but remember, these are two congruent angles. So do I really need to go back and plug this in if I know this one? No, because you're going to get the same thing, right? So these two make up what kind of pair? Look, if I cover that, do they make a straight line?
Yeah.
Linear pair? How much does a linear pair add up to?
180.
180. Okay, so I'm going to do, to solve for y, 3y plus 2 plus 65 equals 180. Okay, now, some of you guys, when you tried to solve this, you started freaking out because you're like, oh no, Miss Miller, it's a decimal, right? That's what you guys sound like too, your high-pitched voices.
Exactly.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so, okay, this doesn't end up dividing evenly, but I am doing the right thing. I'm adding the two angles because they add up to 180. So sometimes we get a decimal for the answer, okay? So what do I get for my answer here?
Y is about 37.7.
Okay, it was 6 repeating, right?
Yes.
Okay, or you could approximate it round to the 10th place, and you would get about 37.7. So either of these is an okay answer. All right?